My name is what? My name is who? Thick sassy. What is up, Saucy Babe fam? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm beyond excited because this face, honey, is all drugstore. Who make drugstore product look better than I do? I'm sorry. I'm just a beast at it, okay? Let me stop. Okay, you guys, today we're using a very affordable brand, which is a Profusion. I don't know if you guys have seen it. If you guys have heard of it, they are sold at Target. So today is all about Profusion, their new stuff. Not a sponsor. It has been a very long time since I had done a video only strictly to the drugstore products. For first time ever, Profusion makeup, which I have never tried. I believe I don't think I have ever tried it. You guys, but they're coming out with so many good things. Like, just look at this palette. Like, just look at all these colors, you guys. They're super beautiful. It also brings a brush as well, which I think is pretty freaking awesome. So once again, this is a Profusion Cosmetics SIENNAS, and it brings 21 shade eyeshadow, yeah, and a freaking brush. And yes, you guys, this brand is supposedly cruelty free and they do not test on animals. So we have eyeshadow, we have brow products to show you guys, and we also have a Sculpt and Glow, a blush and glow, just blushes, highlighters as well. And we also have this cute set, which is lips to go, and it brings a lip liner, lip gloss, and also a liquid lipstick. So the first thing that we're gonna start with is the brow. I always start with my brows, you guys. They're like the part that shaped your face basically, and I did went ahead and laid them down with soap. I just really like the look of it. And this little set right here brings a brow palette. You also get a brow pencil, and you get a clear brow gel. So this is like the perfect set, you guys. And I just think it's pretty cool, you guys, how it actually brings a little wax. It brings like a little highlighter powder for your brows, and then you get 2 shades as well. So I think I'm gonna be using the palette just because I feel like it will be so much easier for myself because I really like powder. So I'm just basically creating hair strokes. And then of course I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up the brows. The color is actually very universal, this one right here, just because it's like very cool tone, but they're actually very powdery. I also went ahead and applied a little bit of clear gel. I don't know how I still feel about this just because my brows are really late, so this is not much for me to say right now. So I'm gonna start with this one right here, this beautiful pinky shade right there, and I'm gonna start working that onto the crease. Ooh, you guys, only the second time picking up the brush with more products, that's when you was able to see the color. Okay. And look how beautiful it's blending. And I'm using just a fluffy brush from Jessup, and this is just their blending brush, and it works really well. Wow, I'm so impressed right now on how beautiful this looks. Like, just that one eyeshadow blended is so nice. It applies so nice. Wow. Okay, so next, you guys, I'm going to take the shade Madly, and I'm also working this shade onto the crease because I want to really darken that mauve shade. I'm like astonished right now because I haven't used a drugstore palette in a little while, so I'm super light. So I'm just going back with the shade Devoted just to make sure I'm blending that crease really well. And I'm also going to bring that shade onto the eyelids just like that, just backing it on there. I'm gonna create a wing, but on my crease. Let's see how that goes. Initially, my plan was to apply some color to the cut crease wing, but it did not end up looking how I wanted it. So I ended up applying a little bit of this Kiko Milano liquid eyeliner in the shade Black, I believe. And then I also added a little bit of glitter right on that crease that I did not like how it looked. The colors just didn't add up. I didn't like the combination that I did. But I also added an outline to the black wing as well, and this, I loved it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply these lashes by Allure Theory. They're so freaking pretty, you guys. Like, oh my god, look at these lashes. Kind of find out they're not. Anyways, let's go on to the face to then finish the eyes. I did went ahead and did my other eye, honey, okay? This will be on Spanish as well, you guys. Si hablan español, tengo un canal en español también. Si lo quieren ver, el enlace estará en la cajita de descripción, así que no se olviden de chequear eso. Okay, you guys, for the foundation that I'm going to be using today is the Superstay Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation, which I freaking love, one of my favorite ones. Let's go ahead and apply this baby with a brush. And of course, you guys already know that I love to contour with this right here just to bronze up the whole face. And this is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze. And the concealer that I've been using is this concealer by Revolution Makeup. And this is the Conceal and Define. This is also a very affordable product. I believe it is drugstore, you guys, if I'm not mistaken. Of course, correct me if I'm wrong because your girl doesn't know everything. And I do love to use this Real Technique sponge to blend out the contour. The flat side of it is just perfect for you guys. Fit right on that cheekbone right there. And of course, just to set under the eyes, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, which I freaking love. just to finish up the face, bronzing up and all that good stuff. So let's just use this before I forget. So I think I'm going to use the shade, this one right here, just to chisel out a little bit more the cheekbones. And I love how the brush is actually like this, flat like this, to really chisel out the cheekbone. Ooh, Jess, she's bad. Okay, it's so pretty and blinding. I'm going to be applying this one instead. I'm applying the shade Charista, and then I'm going to apply the shade Lit right on top of it. So the highlight, you guys, is actually really nice. You can see how pretty it looks. So I'm definitely going to start out with a yellow shade just because I have to, you guys. I have to. And I'm going to be applying that on my lower lash. As you can see, I'm smoking it out really well. And next, I'm going to take the shade Outspoken and apply it on my lower lash line. And I'm going to be applying this one very close to the lash line. Okay, you guys, so the last step basically for the eyes, I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit of this eyeliner, which I'm going to be applying on my waterline. Well, and a little bit of mascara as well. So I don't think I really like this combo with the lips. It just doesn't go, not in my opinion. And I just want to show you guys how the liquid lipstick actually looks. It would not match this look. For the lips, I ended up using the CoverGirl liquid lipstick in the shade Bay, I believe. It goes perfect with this look. And then I went ahead and just spray over my face just to lack everything up. It's a CoverGirl Look Lack Up All Day Setting Mist, which I freaking like. And it's also drugstore, super affordable. And this is pretty much it, you guys. This is the end of it, how it looks. This is how it turned out. All drugstore, baby, all drugstore. Anyway, my love, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, this tutorial, this drugstore tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe if you guys would like to see more bomb drugstore palettes that are coming out. Make sure you subscribe to your girl because I'm going to hook you up with some good ass makeup products. But without further ado, I'll see you all.